Greene Greene furniture, a hallmark of American arts and crafts from the early 20th century, stands as a testament to Charles and Henry Greene's creative brilliance. This distinctive style, renowned for its meticulous craftsmanship, seamlessly merged East Asian and Californian influences. One of their hallmark features, the cloud lift detail, showcases the ingenuity in crafting harmonious curves and negative spaces. The creation involves using soft woods like mahogany, emphasized by rounded edges and ebony pegs, providing both aesthetic elegance and structural integrity. For aspiring woodworkers, starting a simple cloud lift detail project can be a fascinating introduction into this iconic and historical woodworking style.